Hello everyone, Sister Bright Zoe here, bringing you the story of a court case with some big legal and ethical questions. It's about Zero Dark Tony, who in my opinion, filed a retaliatory restraining order against a minor. This came after the minor filed their own restraining order against Tony for cyberbullying and making disgusting comments online. Tony now has criminal charges and an arrest warrant pending. As part of Tony's retaliatory filing, my brother, Hero Light Cody, was added to Tony's witness list. Cody spends his time creating content and calling out questionable behavior. But now, his name has been dragged into a legal situation he has nothing to do with. Cody hasn't been contacted, subpoenaed, or even told why he's on the list. Let's break it down. What is a witness list? Witness lists are meant to include people who have relevant knowledge about a case. For example, a witness might have seen an event take place, they might have first-hand knowledge about a key issue, or they might be an expert offering specialized insight. Here's the problem. Cody isn't any of those. His only connection to this case is that he critiqued Tony's behavior in publicly available videos. Watching videos doesn't make someone a witness. If Tony wants to use the videos, he can introduce them as evidence. The videos speak for themselves, so why add Cody to the list? It doesn't make sense unless there's another motive. Why would Cody be included? There are a few possibilities, none of them good. 1. To intimidate Cody. Adding his name could be an attempt to silence him. 2. To disrupt the respondent. Witnesses are often excluded from court until after they testify. Listing any witness to keep them out of the courtroom might be a way to reduce support for the minor. 3. To distract the court. Adding irrelevant names could be a tactic to make the case harder to navigate, or it could be about contact information. By listing Cody, the lawyer might be trying to gain access to his identity, location, or phone number. This feels like a fishing expedition, intrusive, unethical, and unacceptable. The California rules of professional conduct require attorneys to act ethically. Here are the rules that may apply in this situation. Rule 3.1. Lawyers cannot file claims or actions without merit or for the purpose of harassment. Retaliatory claims or the inclusion of irrelevant witnesses may violate this rule. Rule 3.3. Lawyers must not knowingly submit false, misleading, or irrelevant information to the court. Adding irrelevant witnesses could violate this standard. Rule 3.4. Lawyers must not manipulate procedural rules to cause harm. Using a witness list to disrupt a defense or intimidate allies is unethical. Rule 8.4. Lawyers cannot engage in dishonesty, fraud, or actions prejudicial to justice. Misusing witness lists for harassment or intimidation is misconduct. In this case, I believe the claim itself, the retaliatory restraining order, is frivolous and filed solely to punish the respondent for standing up to Tony. Including irrelevant witnesses like Cody appears to be a retaliatory tactic and a misuse of the legal process. Witness lists should be limited to individuals with relevant material knowledge, not used to intimidate or disrupt. If this is an attempt to intimidate the respondent or their supporters, disrupt the case, or gain personal information, it could also qualify as abusive process. Abusive process occurs when legal tools are used for improper purposes like harassment or fishing for personal details. What happens now? Here's what could happen. 1. The court can intervene. Cody's inclusion on the list can be challenged and struck. 2. Sanctions against the lawyer. The lawyer could face fines or reprimands for misconduct. 3. A bar association complaint. Misusing legal procedures could result in disciplinary action by the California State Bar. The bottom line? Adding Cody to this witness list isn't just irrelevant, it's part of a broader misuse of the system. He's not a witness. He's not a party to the case. If this is an attempt to intimidate, silence, or fish for details, it won't work. To the Temu lawyer behind this, pick witnesses who actually have something to do with your case. And to everyone watching, remember, the legal system is meant to protect us, not be weaponized for harassment. I know Hero Light Cody will keep shining a light on the harm ZDT is causing, and I'll keep covering stories like this. This is Sister Bright Zoe, signing off.